Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to message yourself on WhatsApp. Friends, this is a new option in WhatsApp in which you can message to yourself and can make notes etc. within WhatsApp. So to message yourself in WhatsApp, open WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, press on this new chat icon. Here you will find message yourself option. Now here you can make any note or can save any link etc. I have shared a link to myself and as you can see it is blue ticked immediately. So like this you can share links, image, video or can make any message and can save on WhatsApp. So friends, like this you can very easily use message yourself option on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.